No, what are you doing? Don't film this, dude. I'm not supposed to.
Oh shit! Oh, my bad. He'll be right back. He'll be right back. He went to the bathroom.
So you don't see me recording myself?
Alright.
I'm looking a little rough today, but it don't matter. The car has to be beautiful, not me. Okay. Okay, that's the truth. Like, they're cool, I guess. This is the part number, item number, whatever the fuck you want to call it. There you go. It'll probably be in the description. Made in USA. Damn right. America. Guaranteed horsepower. It does not look like this. I kind of ripped it open already.
No,
it was,
no, wait, we haven't.
Oh yeah, no.
No,
There you go.
There
you go. Ripped open. Alright.
First inspection.
Wow, look at this fucking
chest paper!
Holy shit.
Ooh, we got a book.
Manual.
Manual.
The most important part of this is the sticker, folks. Everything else is garbage. The instructions are in here.
Yeah,
but
nobody
who
uses
reads
that.
those,
Yeah.
right? Oh wait, no, I need the sticker.
Oh, the sticker.
Put it back in.
Just put it back in. I'll throw it out. Here's the filter.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
That's what the filter will look
Holy
like.
crap!
Oh
Says
shit,
K&N
that's
right
huge,
on
nigga.
it. That is update, upgrade.
Upgrade.
You know what I mean. I'm a little excited.
Oh look.
Oh wait. Another sticker.
Bobby,
Watch
that's
out.
15 more horsepower.
Yeah, look, it even says it right there. 15.
Yeah, there you go. I knew it. I knew
Wow.
it. 15. See?
15.
On the
Oh,
money.
you gotta make sure it's not fake, so it has a little logo
Yeah.
in the car, you know.
VR.
That stands for Roland, which
Yeah.
is my name.
Oh, I thought it was real.
No.
Yeah, it's for real, rolling.
Yeah.
Real rolling. Get it?
We got this
Long hole.
manguera. That means hose. No, I'm playing. This is to seal it up, like a gasket or something. I don't know how to explain it. It's to seal.
Yeah, it's just to seal it.
Explain it once we put it
Well,
on.
it kind of says it in the manual.
No,
Just show-
hey,
just
don't
show.
show the manual. Ain't nobody need that. And screws.
Well, it smells nice.
And that's the end of this video.
Why are you smelling?
That's the box. That was everything that was inside of the box.
Why not?
All right, you're right.
There you go. It's like expensive.
Smells like slow. Ah!
You can't even talk. You got the same engine.
Not the same intake though.
No, this is true.
Alright,
Anyway,
let's put it-
that's the end of this video. That's the unboxing. You don't get to see it. Let's go away. Nah, I'm playing. All right.
second video will be the install.
Yeah. Stay tuned. You have to subscribe. Only subscribers can watch this.
We need 1,000 likes for the install.
Nah, I'm playing. Alright, but let's get into it. If you've never seen one of these, this is what it looks like. I don't have the engine cover. I already took that out.
First step, take the engine cover
First
out.
step. I mean,
Actually, second step. First step, open the hood.
yeah, technically, first step is to open the hood. I took it out. You don't need to take it out, but I figured I'd as well get it out of the way so that if I drop a screw, I can lose it forever.
Or see what.
Or see where it might have went so that I can never find it again. But that's what it looks like right now. It's kind of lame. I mean, we are back because I have tools now. Damn right. That's how we start all the videos.
Ah, God damn it. This kid's
I didn't bring one either, so.
Brian said he has tools.
I have all sorts of tools.
Okay. Just saw it on video. He says he has his own tools. He's not allowed to borrow any of ours. Right, Javier? Yeah. Ha!
You don't have any tools, you fuck.
Ha! Yeah, but I didn't say, I said, hey, I don't have tools. Can I borrow some of yours? You're like, no, I don't need nobody's tools.
Yeah,
I brought my own tools.
Yeah.
And tipo que,
know what
I
the
brought my own tools.
If you think you can do it with your finger, you're really screwed. Man. You really want to bring it right now?
Oh shit. Hey. Give me the screwdriver. You take the camera.
Okay. Here, yeah.
I'll take it, Mom.
Brand doesn't know. Oh.
What the fuck?
Wait, hit my mom?
No,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oye, no, pero de verdad, que saque. Toma, aguanta ahí.
Hey, so what step is this?
Step number 50 something. Clean it out.
Can I see what you're...
No, because fucking. Okay. Done.
Final product.
How long did it take? Like 10 minutes?
15.
15 minutes. It would have been faster if we weren't fucking around. Later, guys. Thank you for watching and stuff like that. All the normal stuff. And roll credits. Bye.